conclusion, I humbly accept this award for subduing the insidious light-eating Zagroot against near impossible odds. How's that sound?
Quark, doesn't accepting an award for something you didn't do make you feel the slightest bit deceitful?
That depends. Does deceitful mean impressive? Heroic? Awe-inspiring? Fine, I don't care what it means. We're talking about a light-eating Zagroot here. You know what this will do for my approval rating?
I never even heard of an Intergalactic Tool of Justice award. Who did you say invited you?
I don't know. The guy was all cloak and dagger on the phone. But I'm sure the whole thing's on the up and up. Look at him, peacefully slumbering in the warm embrace of cryo-sleep.
I don't know about this. Maybe we should call Clank and Zephyr.
Oh, Ratchet. So young, so unused to the spoils of do-goodery. Don't worry. When you're a hero, you'll understand. House lights?
Well, hello, Mr. President! So kind of you to accept my invitation.
Dr. Nefarious. I was wondering when you'd be showing up. Is that your new space station? Looks a little smaller than the last one.
Oh, you're hysterical. Let's see you crack jokes from inside the digestive tract of a Zagroot!
Oh, goody. I get to reanimate something.
It's alive! Help me, Lawrence!
Apologies, sir. I think it's time to tender my resignation.
We must stop the Zagroot before he destroys the city. Good shot, Captain. Unhand the Aphelion right this instant.
Fist meet fate.
Hello, I'm Kip Darling.
And I'm Pepper Fairbanks.
And we're coming to you live from Luminopolis, where Dr. Nefarious has just released a light-eating Zagroot upon the city.
The latest attack from the diabolical Doctor couldn't have come at a worse time. Currently, the entire Polaris Defense Force is off on a field trip to the single and hating it speed dating convention in Meridian City.
Well, let's hope they find love, Pepper. And now, back to the maulings. The depravity of this creature knows no bounds, folks. He just destroyed Rusty Pete's healthy hamburger shack. Its vegan wheatgrass and tree bark burger was a favorite of hipsters everywhere.
Booyah! Score one for President Quark.
I detect trouble ahead.
It appears the Zagroot has just ravaged one of the city's luminoid conduits.
You're welcome, little buddy.
We should be safe for now. Enemy down. Captain Quark, you must be more careful.
Over here, cadets!
Captain Quark, you must be more careful.
Over here, cadets! I think I'm in a bit of trouble here.
The Zagroot is headed for the airway. We must catch up. Does anyone require nanotech?
Nanotech, that's the stuff. I'll teach you to assault my fair city. Come on, team. We're commandeering this taxi.
It looks like our heroes have commandeered an air taxi in order to catch up to the Zagroot. A bold move. Let's hope it ends in something that boosts our rating.
Over here, cadets.
This taxi's gravity coils appear to be operational. Perhaps shifting position will steer the vehicle.
This may be a bad time to mention this, but I haven't driven in a while.
Here's an interesting fact. This is the seventh massive creature of destruction President Clark has helped unleash upon a major city since his inauguration.
Oh boy, my office is gonna get some calls on this one.
I have located the Zagroot. We are almost there.
That was a close one. This might be a good time to mention our sponsor, Proton Paul's Lunar Funeral Home. Don't settle for a boring afterlife. Spend eternity spinning in your grave, thanks to Proton Paul's Zero-G coffins.
This is an interesting development. It appears that strange, unidentified robots have teleported into city limits. I'm no expert, but they don't appear to belong to Dr. Nefarious.
One could only surmise that these robots have chosen to take advantage of our distraction with the Zagroot and invade our city.
Stand back. I will take this one. My robotic friends, we do not wish to fight you.